left alone, I can't figure this out. Need help, there's no doubt, I wanna scream and shout. Missing pieces of the jigsaw, don't know what it's about. Asking your advice as I look to the clouds and breathe. Depression sinks in its teeth, I want help inside, I beg please. I start to talk, my brain starts to freeze. Outside I'm fine, inside I'm on my knees, just waiting for someone to say that it's alright. The future's bright, you're not alone in this fight. Not far left to go, just hold on tight. Don't be scared, just keep your head high or try. Don't let the real you die, don't let them demons win. Time to say goodbye, you can do this, it's all in your mind. Time now to leave the past behind. Get up on your feet, man, it's time to shine. Strength should be easy to find. Just pick yourself up, walk over the line and know this, you're going to be fine. Strength inside, weakness can be hard to find. Hard to find, hard to find. Alone in my mind, alone in my mind. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Broken, lost and torn up, and I'm choking on words. I keep hoping for things to get better, but I can't keep focused. Afloat in this sinking ship, I'm coping, but I don't want to cope. I want to heal, want to put down my shield and tell you how I feel. I want the courage to take over the wheel. I want to finally feel life is real, instead of it feeling like one big blur or a nightmare. Too scared to share, thinking to myself, no one really cares. If they did, they would see the look of despair. But deep down, I'm the one to blame. Not opening up about thoughts in my brain. I feel ashamed that I can't explain the way that I feel, all this inner pain. But I've got to carry on, try and seek the help that I need. No time to weep, time to put these demons to sleep. Gain strength from the thoughts that once made me weak. Strength inside, weakness can be hard to find. Hard to find, hard to find. Alone in my mind, alone in my mind. If you suffer, then hear me ride. We're together in this fight. Together in this fight. Together in this fight.